In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund customer for overpayment in QuickBooks Online. If a customer paid more than they owed and you need to send that extra money back, this quick process will create a proper refund check and keep your books accurate. I'll walk you through it step by step and explain why each choice matters so everything ties out cleanly. First, go to the top left of your QuickBooks Online screen and click New. This is the menu where you create most transactions, and it's the right place to start a refund that will be issued as a check. From the options that appear, select Check. Choosing Check tells QuickBooks you're issuing money out of your bank specifically as a refund, and it tracks it differently than a regular expense. Next, select the customer who overpaid. Picking the correct customer is crucial because it connects the refund to their account, ensuring their balance and history reflect the credit being returned. If you're working with multiple customers, take a moment to double-check you've got the right one before moving on. Now, in the Category Details section, select the Accounts Receivable account. This is the key piece that makes the refund work properly. By using Accounts Receivable, you're telling QuickBooks that this check is linked to a customer's receivable balance, not just an ordinary business expense. That lets QuickBooks match the refund to the customer's overpayment and clear their credit in the background. Enter the amount that they overpaid. Be precise here. Refund exactly the extra amount so the customer's balance returns to zero and your records stay aligned. If the overpayment included cents or a small difference, reflect that exactly. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. QuickBooks records the refund as a check, tied to accounts receivable and associated with the customer you selected. This ensures the return of funds is properly tracked in your books, and that the customer's account no longer shows an outstanding credit. With those simple steps, you've created a clean, auditable trail for the refund. Using check and accounts receivable together is the correct combination for customer overpayments because it preserves the link to the customer's balance and keeps your financial statements accurate. If you ever review your records later, you'll see this transaction reflected as a check that offsets the overpayment, just the way it should. Thanks for following along. If you stick to these steps each time a customer overpays, your accounting stays tidy and your customers get their refunds promptly.